All right, so you're ready to explore AI-powered passive income, making money work for you even when you're not working. That's the beauty of passive income, right? Setting up systems that generate income over time.
Yeah. And with AI, things are getting even more interesting.
We're going to deep dive into all sorts of AI tools today and inspiring success stories, too. Ever wished money could just flow in even while you sleep? Let's jump right in.
The way AI is changing passive income is amazing. It's not just about making things easier, though. It's about opening up totally new opportunities. Like, think about things that used to take so much time and special skills, like running an online store or creating great content. AI can automate so much of that now.
I've heard so much about AI, but honestly, I'm still figuring out how it actually works, how it actually makes real passive income. I mean, if it were that easy, wouldn't we all be relaxing on a beach somewhere?
You've got a point there for sure. AI gives you the tools, but you have to use them strategically. A lot of people think it's like a magic button you just press. But it's not about that. It's about building systems that work for you.
Okay, let's talk about the tools then. What kind of AI tools are we talking about here? I bet there are a ton of options out there, right?
Oh, yeah, tons. It's like having a toolbox built just for making passive income. You've got specialized tools for all sorts of things: content creation, e-commerce, investments, you name it.
Well, let's start with content creation then. I know a lot of people are interested in that.
So for writers and content creators, ChatGPT is a total game changer. It uses a really advanced language model to make different kinds of content: blog posts, ebooks, social media captions, anything you can think of. And here's the cool part: you can actually teach it to write in specific niches. So say you're writing about tech. You can train it on a ton of tech articles, and it'll start sounding like an expert in that field.
Wow, that's really impressive.
Yeah.
But what if you're more into visuals? Is there something for that too?
Of course there is. Pictory is a fantastic tool for that. It can turn written content into videos automatically. It pulls images and video clips, adds music, even does the voiceover. Imagine just a few clicks and your blog post is a YouTube video.
That's incredible. Okay, so what about e-commerce? A lot of people want to run their own online shops, but it can be overwhelming. Can AI help with that?
It can definitely make things a lot easier. Shopify, which is a really popular platform now, has AI features. They can help you with pretty much everything from setting up your store to managing inventory and marketing your stuff.
Mhm.
One of the coolest things is that it can analyze data and give you insights into what's selling, what your customers want, even what prices will make you the most money.
That sounds like a dream for anyone who's ever felt lost in the e-commerce world.
Exactly. And for those who love the idea of custom merch but hate dealing with inventory, there's Printify. It's a print-on-demand platform, so you can design and sell things like mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, without ever having to store or ship anything yourself. They take care of everything. You just focus on the creative stuff.
So AI is making it super easy to get started with e-commerce now. What about investments? Can AI help us make our money grow passively?
For sure, platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment are changing how people invest. They use algorithms to build and manage portfolios just for you, based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. The really interesting thing is they're constantly learning and adapting. The algorithms analyze market trends and adjust your portfolio, so you're getting the best returns with the lowest risk.
Sounds like AI is taking some of the stress out of investing.
It definitely can be, but no investment strategy is perfect. And even AI-powered platforms have limits. You should always do your own research before investing any money.
Totally. We don't want people to think this is a get-rich-quick scheme. It's all about using AI to help us make smarter choices. So what about affiliate marketing? I've heard that AI can really change the game there.
Oh, absolutely. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products. And you earn a commission when you make a sale. One of the trickiest parts is writing really good sales copy that convinces people to buy sales. That's where AI tools like Jasper come in. They can help you write product descriptions, email campaigns, social media posts, all designed to turn those browsers into buyers.
Let's having an AI copywriter on your team.
Exactly. And they can even personalize messages on a massive scale. They analyze data about your audience and tailor the message just for them.
So it's not just generic sales copy anymore. It's about creating messages that really connect with people.
Exactly. And that can make a huge difference in how many sales you make.
Okay, we've talked about content creation, e-commerce investments, and affiliate marketing. What other ways can AI help us make passive income?
Oh, we can't forget about digital products. Creating and selling things like ebooks, courses, and templates can be a great way to generate passive income. And with AI tools like Canva Pro, it's easier than ever to design them. Canva Pro now has all these AI features that can help you with everything, from getting design ideas to removing backgrounds from images, and even making animations.
Canva Pro is awesome. And adding AI to it just takes it to another level. So
Mhm.
it seems like there's an AI tool for everything when it comes to passive income. But how do we know which tools are right for us?
That's the key question, and it really comes down to your goals, your skills, and what you're interested in. The biggest mistake people make is trying to do too much at once. They get excited by all the possibilities and try to do everything at the same time.
I can see how that would lead to burnout pretty quickly.
For sure. It's important to start small. Focus on one or two income streams that you're good at and that you enjoy. Get those going strong before you try to expand.
It's like building a house. You need a good foundation first.
Exactly. Once you have that, you can start adding more and diversifying your income streams, but start with a clear vision and a plan.
I'm ready to start exploring some of these AI tools. But
Yeah.
before we get carried away, I want to hear some real stories. Can you tell us about some people who are actually making money using AI?
Of course, we've got some incredible stories lined up.
Let's hear them.
Let's start with bloggers and people with niche websites. Imagine using AI to help you create content that ranks high in search engines and brings in lots of visitors. We're talking about using AI to research keywords, analyze what your competitors are doing, and even get suggestions for topics that people are actually searching for right now.
So it's not just about AI writing the content for you. It's about using AI to plan and optimize your content strategically so it gets seen by the right people.
Yeah.
Makes sense. But how does that actually turn into income?
Well, there are a few ways you can make money from a blog or website. One common way is through display advertising. You basically partner with an ad network like Google AdSense, and they put ads on your site. You earn a small fee every time someone clicks on an ad. The more traffic you get, the more money you can make.
Sounds pretty simple. But I'm guessing you need a lot of traffic to make any real money from ads, right?
It can take a while, yeah. That's why it's so important to focus on creating really good content that ranks high in search results. And that's where AI can be a huge help. By using AI to research those keywords and see what your competitors are doing, you can create content that's more likely to attract people organically from Google and other search engines.
It's about working smarter, not harder. I like that.
Exactly. And there's another way to make money from a blog or website that can be even more profitable: affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with companies that sell products or services related to your niche. You promote those products on your site and earn a commission on any sales.
I've heard of affiliate marketing, but I always thought you needed a massive audience to make any real money from it.
Not necessarily. There are some really successful affiliate marketers out there who focus on smaller niche audiences that are more likely to buy. For example, let's say you have a blog about hiking gear. You could partner with a company that sells hiking boots and write a really detailed review of their best-selling model. If your review is good, informative, and ranks high in search results, you could earn a commission every time someone clicks your link and buys a pair of those boots.
I see. So it's not just about how many people see your content, but about how relevant your content is to what they're interested in.
Exactly. And AI can help you with that too. AI tools can help you find those profitable affiliate products to promote. They can analyze what your audience is interested in and what they buy. And they can even personalize your recommendations to increase sales.
That's pretty amazing. Okay, I'm convinced about the power of AI for blogging and niche websites. What about e-commerce? I'm really interested to hear some success stories there.
We've got a great one for you. There's this entrepreneur who's making a ton of money selling custom-designed phone cases through a print-on-demand platform, like Printify. They're using AI to create those unique designs. Based on trending topics and popular keywords, the AI analyzes social media trends, searches on Google, even data from other e-commerce platforms, to figure out what designs people are most likely to buy.
Wait, so the AI is coming up with the designs?
It is, and not just random designs, it's creating designs that are tailored to what people are actually searching for and buying right now. The entrepreneur uploads those designs to Printify. And when someone orders a phone case, Printify takes care of printing it, shipping it, and even customer service.
So the entrepreneur doesn't have to deal with any physical products or any of the headaches of running an e-commerce store. That's amazing.
It's a perfect example of how AI can automate and streamline your business, so you can focus on being creative and strategic.
But it still takes some work, right? You have to come up with the initial idea,
Yeah.
set up the store, and find the right AI tools. The AI isn't just going to do everything for you.
Right. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It takes some setup, and you need to keep an eye on things
Yeah.
to make sure it's all running smoothly.
Okay, let's move on to another way to make passive income: YouTube. I know a lot of people are wondering how AI can help them there.
Oh, there are a bunch of ways AI can boost your YouTube game. One way is through video editing. AI-powered video editing software can help you cut out the boring parts, add transitions, even create special effects. It can save you a ton of time, especially if you're not a professional editor.
That's a huge help. I've heard video editing can take forever, especially when you're just starting out. But what about the content itself? Can AI help with that too?
It can. There are AI tools that can help you come up with video ideas, write scripts, and even create voiceovers. You can tell the AI about your niche, your audience, even your own style, and it'll generate ideas and scripts that fit your channel.
It's like having an AI brainstorming partner. That's pretty cool. But what about the actual filming? AI can't replace a human in front of the camera, right?
Not yet, at least. But there are AI tools that can help you make your videos more engaging. For example, there are tools that can analyze your videos and tell you the best times to cut, where to add music, and what kind of thumbnails will get people to click.
So even if you don't like being on camera, AI can help you make professional-looking videos that people will want to watch.
Exactly. And as AI keeps getting better, we'll see even more powerful tools that blur the lines between human and machine creativity.
I'm a little nervous about that, to be honest, but I'm also excited to see what happens. Okay, we've talked about how AI can be used for passive income through blogging, e-commerce, and YouTube. But I'm curious, are there any downsides to relying so much on AI?
That's a great question. It's definitely important to be aware of the potential pitfalls. One thing to remember is that AI is still pretty new, and it's changing all the time. What works today might not work tomorrow, so it's important to stay up to date and be ready to adapt.
It's like any other technology. You have to keep learning to stay ahead of the game.
Exactly. Another potential downside is that AI can sometimes create content that feels generic or impersonal. You always have to remember that AI is just a tool. It's up to you to use it in a way that shows your own voice and personality.
So it's about using AI to make your own creativity better, not to replace it.
Exactly. And it's important to use AI ethically and responsibly. Don't try to trick your audience or create content that's misleading or harmful.
Good point. It's important to use this powerful tool for good, not for bad.
Absolutely. And finally, remember, AI is not a magic solution. It takes real work and dedication to build a successful passive income stream, even with AI helping you.
So it's not about getting rich quick. It's about using AI to create systems that can make you money over time.
Exactly. And that takes strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and a willingness to learn and adapt.
Okay, I'm feeling inspired, but also a little overwhelmed. It's clear that AI can change how we make passive income. But it's also important to be realistic and to use it ethically. So what's next on our deep dive? Where do we go from here?
All right, so we've seen the potential and some things to watch out for. Now let's give you a roadmap to start building your own AI-powered income stream.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's do this.
First things first, you got to find a niche that really gets you excited, something you're already passionate about, or maybe a field where you have some knowledge, or even just a market that you think has a lot of potential.
So it's not just about picking something that I think will make money. It has to be something I'm actually interested in, right?
Exactly. You're going to be much more motivated if you actually care about the niche you choose. Plus, if you're passionate about something, you probably already know a bit about it. And that can give you a head start.
Makes sense.
Huh?
Okay, so I found my niche. What's next?
Next, you got to figure out how you're going to make money from it. Do you want to create and sell digital products? Focus on affiliate marketing, make money from ads on a blog or YouTube channel, or maybe jump into e-commerce and sell physical products.
Wow, so many options.
Don't worry, you don't have to decide everything right away. Just start by looking into a couple of monetization models that seem like a good fit for your niche and what you're good at.
Okay, let's say I've narrowed it down to a few options. How do I actually get started?
This is the exciting part. Choosing the right AI tools. We've
Mm.
talked about a bunch today, but there are so many more out there. Do some research, try different tools, and find the ones that you like using.
It's like putting together my own AI dream team.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources, online tutorials, forums, even whole communities for people using AI to generate passive income.
Good to know. I think I'll need all the help I can get. So I've got my niche, my monetization model, my AI tools. What's the next step?
Time to start building your audience. That might mean creating a website or a blog, setting up social media accounts, maybe even starting a YouTube channel. The most important thing is to be consistent and give your audience something valuable.
Value, that's the key word, right? You can't just put any old content out there and expect people to care.
Right. You got it. Think about the problems your audience is facing, what questions they have, what information they're looking for. Then create content that answers those needs.
And that's where AI can really be helpful, right?
Mhm.
We talked about how it can help with keyword research, analyzing trends, and even coming up with content ideas.
Absolutely. AI is a great tool for understanding your audience and creating content they'll love. But don't forget to add your own personal touch. Your personality, your insights, your experiences, that's what makes you unique.
So it's all about finding the sweet spot between AI and human creativity.
Exactly. And one last thing, remember that building an audience takes time. Don't expect to become a superstar overnight. Just be patient, be consistent, and keep providing value. And you'll eventually start seeing results.
Okay, I'm starting to get the picture. Find a niche I love, figure out how to make money from it, find the right AI tools, build my audience, and be patient. I think I can handle that. But before we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought.
Go.
Imagine waking up every morning and knowing that your AI systems are out there working for you, making you money while you're doing the things you love. Imagine the freedom to travel, spend more time with your family, or chase your dreams without worrying about money.
That's the whole point of passive income, creating financial freedom and opening up all sorts of possibilities.
It's not about getting rich quick or replacing human creativity. It's about using AI to build systems that can support your goals.
And it's about giving yourself the power to control your financial future and design a life that you're excited about.
So to everyone out there ready to take on this challenge, remember, start small, but start now.
The world of AI is always evolving. The possibilities are endless.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into AI-powered passive income. We can't wait to see what you create